Hi, hello, students. How are you today? Are you okay? Okay, oh. Okay? Okay, oh. This is a new video lesson for math subject. So let's get ready to start. I hope you did do the homework from last week. And this week we will have also some homework and new vocabulary. Last week we have finished with the unit number 2. So now we are gonna start with unit number 3. Okay. Last unit was about addition. Do you remember addition? And this unit is about subtraction. Okay, so I have some words that I want you to remember. The first word I want you to remember is subtraction. Okay, can you listen and repeat? Okay, subtraction. Again, subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, very good. Subtraction is an operation to subtract numbers. We are going to start with just 2 numbers and then 2-digit numbers, but now it's going to be easy. The second word I want you to remember today is minus. 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 The difference between subtraction and minus is that subtraction is the operation that we use in math, and minus is the symbol that we use for subtraction. It's a straight line, short straight line, not line, and we write when we are formulating subtractions. So with these 2 words, we can already start the unit. But first of all, I want you to understand how to read subtractions in English. For example, I have 2 pens and we can make a subtraction with these 2 pens. Okay, I have 2 pens, but I lose 1. Okay, 1 pen magically disappeared. So I have 1 pen left because 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, this is how to read a subtraction. For example, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 equals 1. For example, I have 5 fingers and I eat 1 finger. I eat 1 finger. Okay, so how many fingers do I have left? 4 fingers, because 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, this is what we are gonna learn today, and we have some exercises to do that. We have one page, page number 83, I think, that we need to understand 2 things. For example, when we are talking about objects or numbers, okay, when we have just one thing or one number, for example, I have 1 pen. Okay, if you watch this pen and you want to say, oh, look at this, it's a pen, there is 1 pen, we use the expression there is 1 pen. There is 1 pen. I want you to repeat, please listen and repeat. There is good. We use this expression to point at something or talk about something that we have just one. For example, there is one finger, there is one pen, there is one smartphone, there is one sanitizer gel. Okay, many things, everything. Okay, but what happens when we have more than one? More than one. We don't say there is two pens. We don't say that. No, 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 no. We say there are two pens. There are two pens. There are two pens. Okay, there are two pens, two fingers, two eyes, two ears. Okay, everything you want. When it's more than one, we use there are. If it's five, the same. There are five, there are 10, there are 1,000. Okay, more than one. But just when we have one thing, we use there is. Okay, so there is one pen. There are two pens. There is one pen. There are two pens. There are two pens. There is one pen. There are three pens. Okay, very good. Now let's go to our book and we have some activities to do. Take your book, please, and let's go to the page number 80. 80. I'm gonna show you my book so we can do activities together. Okay. This is my book. Perfect. And here we have to find each difference. Page number 80, exercise number 1. We have two small points, two small exercises. Okay, and let's start with the first. The first, do you know what is this fruit? You know this fruit? What is this fruit? What is? เงาะ เงาะ ภาษาอังกฤษว่ายังไง? This is rambutan. Can you repeat with me, please? Rambutan. 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 Okay, rambutan. So let's read the statement to make the problem clear. Let's read. You remember? I read and you follow me. Let's go. There were 5 rambutans. Okay, here you have 1 rambutan, 2 rambutans, 3 rambutans, 4 rambutans, and 5 rambutans. We use where because we are using the past form, okay? Because in the past, there were 5 rambutans. Let's continue reading. 4 of them were eaten. 4 of them were eaten. Which one is already eaten? Which one is already eaten? Is it eaten? No, no, no. No, it's still complete. Still not eaten. So this one is eaten because it's empty inside. This one is eaten. This one is eaten. This one is eaten. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rambutans were eaten. So yeah, now we have to find if there is or there are rambutans left. Is there any rambutan left? Yes, this one. This one is not eaten, so it's left. So basically what we did is 4 rambutans that we had minus 4 that we have eaten. So what do you think you need to use? There is or there are? There is 1 rambutan left. So we use there is, not there are, okay? There is 1 rambutan left. Because 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, let's continue. Number 2. Here we have sheets. Sheets. You know, sheets of paper. Do you have sheets of paper at home? I think you would have. So how many sheets? Let's read the word problem. Remember, I read and you follow me. Let's read. There were 8 sheets of paper. There were 8 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheets of paper. Let's continue reading. 3 of them were written on. Okay, 3 of these 8 were written to write. You remember? Do you know what is to write? Right? Which one is written? Let's count. This one is written, this one is written, this one is written. 1, 2, 3 of them were written on. So let's continue reading. There is or are 5 pieces of paper left. So we are looking for the pieces of paper left without anything written on. Okay, how many pieces of paper, sheets of paper do we have empty? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, because 8 minus 3 equals 5. 3 sheets of paper minus 3 written on equals 5 pieces of paper left. Okay, so that's how to do this page. Now you can do by yourself exercise number 3 and exercise number 4 in the page number 80. Okay, and now we are gonna continue with our book in the page number 82. 82, I want you to go to the page 82. I'm gonna show you one more time 2 of the exercise in the page so you can understand how to do it and you can do by yourself the rest of the page. So there we go, page number 82. Okay, so here we are, page number 82. Exercises 1 and 2. This is we are gonna make together. Do you know what is this animal? In English, please. What is this animal in English? You know? Turtle. Okay, this is a turtle. But when we have the child of the turtle, we don't call it turtle. We call it tortoise. Tortoise, okay? Tortoise, because it's a ลูกเต่านะครับ ลูกเต่า So how many tortoises are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tortoises. So here we have to fill the number 5. What do you use to, you know, to tell somebody that there are 5? I already told you. Do you use there is or there are? There is 5 or there are 5? There are 5 because it's more than 1. Okay, there is, we just 1, we use with the number 1. Okay, and now do you know what is this animal? It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit, right? Rabbit. How many rabbits there are there? 1 rabbit, 2 rabbits. So what do you say? There is 2 rabbits or there are 2 rabbits? There is 2 rabbits or there are 2 rabbits? There are 2 rabbits. Perfect. Now we are comparing the number of tortoises and the number of rabbit. So now we are gonna say that how many tortoises, okay, are there comparing with rabbits. So what should I write? So we can write that there is or there are 3 fewer more tortoises than rabbits. Okay, we use there are because we are using number 3. Okay, why do we use 3? Because you know we have this tortoise. These 2 tortoises has a couple, a rabbit. Okay, but this 3 tortoises doesn't have a couple. So basically, these 3 tortoises are alone. Okay, they have no friends, no rabbit friends. Or speaking or talking about subtractions, we can say that 5 minus 2 equals 3. And fewer, it means that like less than. It means nói qua, okay? It means there are less than or fewer. Okay, let's continue. Now we talk about mosquitoes. This is a mosquito. Do you like mosquito? I don't like mosquito. I hate. It's so painful when they bite you, right? This is a mosquito. Mosquito. How many mosquitoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mosquitoes. Okay, so here we feel there is or are 6 mosquitoes. What do you use here? There is 6 mosquitoes or there are 6 mosquitoes? There are 6 mosquitoes. Perfect. And what is this? This is not a mosquito. This is not dangerous because this is a fly. Okay, this is a fly. This is not dangerous. It doesn't bite. It doesn't hurt. So I prefer flies than mosquitoes. Did you? So let's count how many flies are here. We have 1 fly, 2 flies, and 3 flies. So there is or are 3 flies. Okay, what do you use? There is 3 flies or there are 3 flies? Yes, that's right. There are 3 flies. So now if we want to know how many mosquitoes are there compared with the flies, so 6 mosquitoes and 3 flies. 6 minus 3 equals 3. But there are 3 mosquitoes, 1, 2, 3, more than or fewer than? More or fewer? There are 3 mosquitoes more because 6 is 3 more than 3. Okay, so here we feel there is or are 3 more mosquitoes than flies. Okay, actually you don't need to feel more. Okay, you can just write number 3 and it would be right. Okay, because the word more we have already here. We don't need to speak twice. So that's all. 3, there is or there are? There are 3. There are 3 more mosquitoes than flies. So I think that's all for today. There is another page that I want you to do it, comparing objects in the page number 84. 84, okay? So basically I want you to do page number 80, 82, and 84 as a homework, okay? So today, we don't need to write the vocabulary in our notebook because I think it's clear. Subtraction, and then minus, and then there are, there is. That's the 4 words we have learned today. I hope you can keep it clear in your mind. Subtraction is the operation to subtract numbers or objects. Minus, that is the symbol in the subtraction. There is That's the expression we use to refer to something that is one, just one thing or one number. And there are is the expression we use to refer something that there is more than one thing or more than one number. So don't forget, please do page number 80, 82, and 84 as a homework. I hope to see you soon in the school, and in a while you can do this by yourself. You can watch these videos many times you want. You can ask to teacher Taha or to me if you want. And I hope you stay safe. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. And that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.